And the rosemary oil for hair, give your hair strength.
Yes.
Oh, rosemary oil.
Yes. Rosemary
Okay.
oil.
Good. Hey guys, well, let's see here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm highlighting creativity, I'm highlighting entrepreneurship, I'm highlighting productivity, and I'm in the hills of Springfield in St. Elizabeth. I'm going to be speaking with a young lady, Rose, who has been using her skills and talents not just to make a living for herself, but to change the life, to improve the lives of people with her local Jamaican products. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. I am at Miss Rose's house, and she has consented to not just do a little interview with me, but also to share some of the products that she creates with her very own hands here. As you can see, I'm gonna try and highlight. You'll see castor oil here, comfrey oil, neem oil, coconut oil, rosemary oil, aloe vera oil, rosemary powder, neem powder, blessed thistle powder, and comfrey powder, and a lot more of other stuff. So Miss Rose, I'm gonna say Miss Rose, right? How are you?
I'm alright.
Good, good. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Yes, I want to learn a little bit about what you do and how you do it. But I'm gonna ask you first to share with my listeners and readers. How long have you been doing this, and what does it mean for you?
Well, I've done about 35 years.
35 years.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And what has it been like?
But yeah, it'd be a pleasure to meet you.
Okay.
It's a pleasure.
I mentioned a few of the products that you have. Is there any of the list that you want to call out as your best sellers, or the ones that people always ask you for?
Well, all of them are the best sellers. I don't have done special. All of them are.
All of them.
Yes, all of them.
For the benefit of my listeners and those who are going to be watching this video, I'm going to ask you to just highlight a few of the products that you have here, and tell us what they are, and from your local knowledge, what's the health benefit in each of them.
Well, the neem oil good for fungus, good for dandruff.
Dandruff?
Yes, and falling hair.
Falling hair, is that what you use for your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why your hair don't fall off.
No,
you have lovely hair. Okay.
And the coconut oil good for Alzheimer's. So you just stick it at night on your body.
Alzheimer's.
Take a spoonful.
Okay. Alright. What else?
And the rosemary oil for hair. Give your hair strength.
Yes.
Oh, rosemary oil.
Yes. Rosemary
Okay.
oil.
Good.
And the aloe vera oil also too.
Aloe vera.
Yeah.
Now, aloe vera I know is a powerful plant with many health benefits. So but your oil is really for hair. For hair. How do you use it?
Then you just take it, use it, and you use a hair oil.
Oh, so when you comb in your hair, you just rub it in? Okay. Alright. What else you have there?
And I have the castor oil. This is the one that boil.
The boiled castor oil.
Yes.
Alright. And how is that done?
Well, I grind the seed and then I put it in pot with well done. Like when you make it coconut custard, that's how you do it, and the oil. Leave. This one is from the machine. This one extract from the machine.
The machine. And guys, we're gonna be looking at the machine shortly. The machine that Miss Rose is mentioning. What else?
I have the flaxseed oil.
Flaxseed oil. Is that flaxseed?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So that's what is it? What's that good for?
Well, it detox your body and it's some medicine good for.
Okay. Cool. And you also have some powders.
Then you can take this powder, the comfrey powder, it's for pressure, and you can take it as tea as well as a teaspoon. And the rosemary as well. They are make tea as well.
For tea.
And the blessed thistle. As
blessed,
well as
blessed thistle.
Tea. And the comfrey.
And the comfrey.
No, the neem. Also for detox your body as well.
Detox, okay. I know it's like bitter bush.
Yes, bitter.
Okay.
Mind the bitterness and good for sinus as well. And this good for sinus. The neem oil good for sinus. You just take it and rub your ears, the throat, and right in your mouth.
Oh. What inspired you, Miss Rose, to do this?
Well, my granny used to boil the castor oil. It grows, so I just use it and just I to raise my children.
Okay.
And 6 of them.
Good.
That's from basic school to high school too.
Good. 35 years. Have you had any good positive feedback from any of your customers? If anybody came back to you to share?
Yes. Sometimes I don't have as much to sell, but now I have the machine, so I have as much as.
Okay, if necessary. Yeah. So what do they typically tell you? Which one of the products they normally mention, of all of them, is there any that they normally highlight to be, or come back to you to say this is?
Well, the whole of them, they come back. Don't have no problem with it.
And your market right now is mainly local here.
Yes, I have, but I send it abroad. I send it abroad.
Okay.
So people call me and they meet me at the nearest point they can reach me.
Okay.
I take it to them.
Okay. All right. Well, and you have a machine now, and I'm gonna.
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you to show us, because I'm sure my viewers are curious to see what you do with the products. You have any? I'm seeing that is neem over here.
Parsley.
This is parsley here. Oh, this is parsley.
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have it. What do you? This is parsley. Oh, so this is like what do you call it? The parsley powder.
Yes, I have the parsley powder in this as well.
In here, okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, just demonstrate to us.
The parsley is good for sickle cell. Good for cancer. Yes,
oh, so you drink it as tea?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So show us a little bit about, just kind of demonstrate what you do with this. This is a machine here that you have acquired recently, you said. So tell me, just show.
I have to plug it into it.
No, don't plug it. Just show us where you put the stuff and where. Okay.
And here I put the grain in this.
So this is a machine,
and
guys.
I plug it and the oil comes through this.
So in the case here, this is not for this is not for the dust. This is for the oils.
Yes.
The oils, okay. So you.
And the trash comes from here.
And there's a container. What is that under here?
This is a container to catch the oil.
So is it boiled first or?
No, it heat itself.
Oh, this is hot.
Yes.
Oh, so it has.
Plug it like plug into 4 hours.
4 hours. Oh, so it gets extremely hot.
Yeah.
And then when you put it in there now, it press it.
Yes. And the oil.
And the oil come out here.
Yes.
Do you have any? Do you put any sort of preservative in there?
No.
Okay, so it's all natural. Yes, but how long does can it last? These products?
It can last over 100 years.
Really?
Yes, because I don't spoil. Like I don't have any mixture in there. Just natural.
Ah. Okay.
So you don't have any expiry date on this.
Okay. All right. So as long as possible, long. Well, maybe not for eternity, but it can last for a while, right?
You don't have any water inside it to spoil it. You don't have any. Just natural.
And this is the castor oil now. I know a lot of people will be excited about it. These are the beans.
Yes.
All right. So just open it and just show my viewers here now what it looks like. I know people will be excited to see. This is castor oil, guys.
I could show them the how it goes as well.
Oh, sure. So this is real Jamaican.
Yeah.
Is it what we call black castor oil? Jamaican castor oil. No, not castor oil, castor beans. And this is what you use to. So you take this out and pour it in there, in there, and you just press it out totally into the oil. So, but I can give you.
That give you about you can give you 1 quart. You can give you about 2 quarts.
Really? Okay, good. But how do you get your? Where do you get your supplies from? You
I plant it, you know.
Oh, you plant it too?
Yes, and I bought it.
So you so when you need additional.
A lot of people do it to get it, and they sold it because they know that I'm using.
You do that, okay. So it's not a problem getting supplies.
No.
Okay, so it's all over here. I mean, in the country area here, so people just get it and get it here. That's nice. They've helped to develop the local economy too. All right. Well, a lot of people will be watching this video, and I'm pretty sure they'll be interested in what you have. Is there a contact number for you that you like to share?
Yes.
Or is there if you're on social media, people could reach out to you?
I have an email, but I don't know if you're working. I have a contact number 353-3524.
Okay. All right, guys, and I'm going to be also, there will be a link. There's going to be a link in the description below that will show the contact information as well as where you can, how you can, if you're interested, how you can purchase Miss Rose's essential oils and powders. Is there, I notice also, Miss Rose, that you seem to be a lady of, if you're a man, we'd say a jack of all trades. A jack of all trade. Right? But so you're doing a lot of other stuff. So here, tell us a little about what else you have here.
I have the mask with the zip for the bar.
The what?
The mask with the zip for the bar.
Alright, so the zip, let's see that. So this is for the rum drinkers.
Yeah.
So people who want to wear the mask but who want to have their drink but also want to comply by wearing their mask. This is the perfect one. So show us what it looks like. You can put it on, man. That's fine. Okay, and then you zip. Let me see the zip. This is a demo, man. So don't worry about it. I know you have many more. It looks like it's hard to get on, sister. Okay. Oh, so you make these as well?
Yes.
Okay, you sell them. All right, guys. So we'll talk. Yeah. All right. What else you have here?
I have the hat and the mask.
The hat as well. The hat with a mask. And this is camouflage kind of soldier material. So this is interesting. So it's a hat with a mask. Oh, cool. All right. What else you have? Good.
And I have runners.
Runners. So this is what, like for tables and whatnot. Okay. And these are all handmade. Handmade, right?
Yes, and these are different types.
Okay.
This one is the ribbon on the edge.
Good.
This is also cushion. Cushion pillow.
Oh, that's cute.
It's have a cushion in different type.
Oh, nice. So where do you find time to do all of this? You said you actually have 5 children, right? 6, and you're heavily involved in your school life, and you're making oils and stuff. How do you?
I don't know, but I try it sometimes. Doing this and I'm boiling the oil at the same time when I was boiling it. And meanwhile, I'll boil it and do the crushing.
Yeah.
And I don't know but I get around all of them somewhere, somehow.
Okay.
There.
Beautiful. I'm noticing as well that this what looks to be castor, the same castor oil, castor bean. Here, a whole bunch of castor bean. I'm gonna ask Miss Rose to tell us a little bit about what's going on here. This is
the tree.
Oh, so this is okay, good. So this is, what is that? That's
that is the comfrey.
Comfrey. Oh, you have comfrey as well. Okay, so this is the comfrey. Oh, okay. So well, okay. So this is the castor bean, guys. Castor oil, castor oil tree. All right.
I'll not tree.
I'll not tree, we call it. All right. So what's happening here now? So what you do so this is
where I get it. This is the bulb that yeah.
Oh, so this is how it comes off the tree.
Yes. And I have to put it in this. So I have this underneath the bottom where the bean come through, and this have a mess. So I just get it like this, rub it like this, and the bean fall down and the trash up at the top. Oh, so after it. So it pops out naturally? Yes, and I have a lot of different. Yes, it pops out in the sun. Oh, the sun. Oh, so it pops out. Yes, in the sun. You just put it here and it pops out. Yes. And the seeds separate from the bean. Yes. They have a lot of. Oh, these are big. These are some big, lovely beans. Yes. Hold on, let me take a picture here, miss. Hold it. Okay, cool. Some big, some small. So what's the difference? What's the difference between these two? The big one and the small? Is it the same? Yes, no, and it's the same. No difference. But these are huge. This one. Okay. Alright. And then and so they have it. The bean is separated from the trash. Yes. Right? So okay. the sun will pop it out. Just open it like this. Oh. So you have the bean, the trash, leave on the top, and the bean go down. Stay down, go down to the bottom. All right. So okay. So let me see what it looks like at the bottom now. I think the goat trying to get your attention. Look at this. Okay. Oh, so it kind of so when you shake it like that, it drop. Oh, it fall down here. Okay, cool. And then you just pull it from here. So your job is easy, man. So when you buy it from your people who supply you buy it like this. No, I buy it like. Oh, the bulk. Oh, like the one up there. Let me. There's a question I always ask everybody who I interview, and the question is, what do you think? What makes Jamaica special? What makes Jamaica special? Because they had such creative people. Yeah. Like you. Yeah. Yeah, you literally turn your hand to make a lot of fashion, right? Jamaica have a lot of creative people. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. I wish you well. Hope the business grows, continue to grow, and you can, you know, make something good of it. We will be in touch. I'm pretty sure, right? Because I'm feeling that persons are going to be reaching out to me to get access to some of your products. All right, so we'll definitely be in. So thank you very much for your time. All the best. Yes. Oh, this is how okay, this is for you. Yes. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. Miss Rose, a lady who has been using her creativity, her talents to make an impression on the life of many persons with her natural products, natural Jamaican products, her oils and powders, as well as, you know, using it to maintain her little family. I hope you enjoy the video. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. This is The Real Jamaica.